Number 7. Faisal Mosque. Located at the foot of the Margala Hills, Faisal Mosque is Pakistan's national mosque and one of the largest in South Asia. Inspired by a Bedouin tent, its design breaks from traditional domes, representing modern Islamic architecture. The mosque can host over 100,000 worshippers and stands as a proud symbol of faith, simplicity, and beauty. Number 6. Hassan II Mosque. Standing proudly on the Atlantic Ocean, the Hassan II Mosque is one of Africa's largest and most breathtaking mosques. Its minaret rises 210 meters high, the tallest in the world. Completed in 1993, this mosque symbolizes Morocco's deep spiritual heritage and architectural elegance, with parts of its floor made of glass revealing the sea below. Number 5. Sultan Ahmed Mosque, Blue Mosque. Built in the early 17th century, the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, famously known as the Blue Mosque, is one of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks. Its 6 minarets, magnificent dome, and 20,000 hand-painted blue tiles create an atmosphere of awe. It continues to serve as both a functioning mosque and a symbol of Ottoman artistry. Number 4. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. One of the world's most beautiful modern mosques, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is a masterpiece of marble, gold, and intricate design. Completed in 2007, it can hold over 40,000 worshippers. Its stunning architecture reflects unity, blending Islamic styles from Morocco, Egypt, and Turkey. It's not just a mosque, but a bridge between tradition and modernity. Number 3. Al-Aqsa Mosque. Al-Aqsa Mosque, located in the blessed city of Jerusalem, is Islam's third holiest site. It was the first Qibla and the place from where Prophet Muhammad ascended to the heavens during the miraculous Isra and Miraj. Its spiritual and historical importance makes it a symbol of faith, resilience, and hope for Muslims worldwide. Quran reference Surah Al-Isra 7:1. Glory be to him who took his servant by night from Al-Masjid al-Haram to Al-Masjid al-Aqsa, whose surroundings we have blessed. Number 2. Al-Masjid an-Nabawi. Built by Prophet Muhammad PBUH himself, Al-Masjid an-Nabawi is the second holiest site in Islam. Beneath its green dome lies the resting place of the Prophet PBUH, along with his companions Abu Bakr and Umar. The peace and tranquility of this mosque touch every believer's heart, making it a destination of immense love and respect. Hadith, Sahih Bukhari. A prayer in my mosque is better than 1,000 prayers elsewhere, except in Al-Masjid al-Haram. Number 1. Masjid al-Haram. At the heart of Makkah lies Masjid al-Haram, the holiest mosque in Islam. It surrounds the Kaaba, the Qibla for over 1.8 billion Muslims. Millions visit every year for Hajj and Umrah, fulfilling one of Islam's greatest pillars. With expansions accommodating nearly 4 million worshippers, Masjid al-Haram remains the spiritual center of the Muslim world. Quran reference Surah Al-Imran 3:96. Indeed, the first house of worship established for mankind was that at Makkah, blessed and a guidance for the worlds.